everyone, welcome back. It's Jyoti. What's happening? Just reacted to Top Floor, and now I'm here. It's time for Bin On, Frappe Ash and Toorjo Dey featuring Encore. I just reacted to mm, Sharmili from this album. Is this from Ice Cream? Yes, it is. Yeah. And I loved it. Aditi Bobby has delivered a beautiful music video, and Frappe, as always, has delivered a beautiful song that sits right in the middle of commercial vibes and hip hop, underground, all of that. Let me just quickly open the Ice Cream Frappe Cup playlist. This is the last track on the album. Achha. Anyway, it popped up. We're just gonna get to it. 1, 2, 3, play.
In this melting pot of chaos,
Melting pot of
we all
chaos.
go one by one. Think we all need an ice cream from
Ice
time to time.
मुझको देख मुझसे छुप क्यों रहा मुझको देख जैसा हूँ मैं वैसा मुझको देख
मेरा दिल मेरी जान मेरा अक्स मेरा रूह मेरा मन मेरा ज्ञान मेरा दर्द देख मेरा दिन मेरा शन मेरा धन मेरा ढंग मेरा मन मेरा गम मेरी जंग देख मेरा जन मेरा हक मेरी लत मेरा लक मेरा रक्त मेरा शक मेरी हद देख मेरा वक्त मेरा राज मेरा महल मेरा रूह मेरा तक देख मेरे सर पे सवार हूँ मैं दो शब्द मेरे जैसे दो बिल चढ़े तुझे डबली बजे तुझे नकली लगे लौंड क्योंकि सारे करे तेरी नकली पर इट्स ऑल लव ना मैं करूँ किसे कॉल आउट मेरी शिट हैगी हो रहा फरीसी से फॉल आउट बचपन में बैट बॉल बड़े होके बॉल आउट करो ना करो रोल आउट 100 shows not out come on
I'm making money, I've been on. Baby, this goes, I said all. I don't know किधर तक पहुंच रहा हूँ. Baby, देख बजरंग का पे. सर पे ना किसी का हाथ है. जाना नहीं आया जहाँ से. कौन घुटे नहीं टिके में.
I got the money I've been on 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 Baby, this goes, I said all. I don't know किधर तक पहुंच रहा हूँ.
आवारा मैंने घोर पुन घुटे नहीं टिके मेरे दगड़े में छोरा छन क्रैक लाइट तो प्यार कन हुए we ain't even had sex दून गाड़ी डांडियो में सेश चाली में द रोल ये छाव में ते आना छन panic attacks shit's as real as it gets तो दिल लगी सुधरी यूं मी मेरा खुदा भी दिखाता पसे शो में मैंने देता ना चैन में ते खुद से बचे बस दिन बाद दिन रात कॉल पे दी बैर आई ना मैं हो रही दिखे में ते कोई आपू ते भी जड़ दिनी मैं माँ भी जनी में तेरी हैप की होलू अपनों को जै पिताजी मेरी सुन देनी छे पहुंच गई गाँव भी शहर मैं देखी तेरी आँखों में वैम लागी घड़ी बॉयज कर देनी लैक real life shit baby real life plans सपने को जीने को सोता नहीं मैं साथ डबल ई बन किए साले फैंस मौत आए कब कहाँ किसको पता है आता जहाँ से कोई लेता नहीं चांस वापस नहीं जा सकता रुड़की को मैं ये आइसक्रीम पिघलने ना दे ये पेन जिंदगी कुत्ती वो बड़ी बेचैन
Come on, be getting money, I've been on. I'm talking brand new crude on. कैसे तुम लोगों तक पहुंच रहा हूँ. कचरा दिखाया मैं कहाँ से. भटक के पहुंचा दे कहाँ पे. सर पे ना किसी का हाथ है. कौन घुटे नहीं टिके में.
Been getting money I've been on Been getting money I've been on Been getting money I've been on Been getting money I've been on
It's been 30 minutes since you've logged in. We hope you had a great time in the world of ice cream frappe.
इसी वीडियो के शूट पे उन्होंने 12 आइसक्रीम्स खा ली होगी. I'm just saying. By the way, that if you missed it, Rohan and I just did our recent Unpopular Opinions ka episode. We discussed this album. And while I had not heard all of it, I heard a little bit of it just so we could talk about it. And I, of course, finished recording my reaction to Sharmili. So anyway, when we started talking about this, my first thing that I said to Rohan was that news was fake. It was planted, obviously, to promote this album. And Rohan was like, oh yeah, and then he's like, no, it can't be fake. Then he opened the newspaper clip and he's like, it doesn't look fake, it looks real. So I'm like, okay, maybe it's real. He's like, because Frappe is very capable of doing something crazy like this. I was like, 12 ice cream koi nahi khata unless you have, anyway, Point is, it I was right. I was right. Haha. I was right. And it's not a it's I'm not exactly Sherlock Holmes. It did not require me to put my Sherlock hat on, but it was quite obvious once the album name and everything dropped. And then I was like, didn't I read something about ice creams and frappe? I mean, see something about that on the news. And then I was like, oh, okay, nice promotion strategy. So well done, very unique way of doing promotions. And I think the agency has to be thanked for that, which I think is मशहूरियाँ, है ना? So nicely done. It got everyone talking and ये पूरा आइसक्रीम और ये कवर आर्ट इस प्रोजेक्ट का मुझे अभी तक समझ नहीं आया वैसे. It is quite funny and then all the random appearances of the ice creams and the cones throughout this video. But anyway, we will go over the lyrics. I was actually very surprised to see कि काम I'm saying कि Encore ने शुरू किया गाना. Usually featuring artist second आता है, right? या बीच में आता है. The artist whose song and album it is usually starts. But okay, interesting. Let me open the. I loved how Encore started. Um, मेरा ये मेरा वो मेरा वो मेरा वो मेरा वो मेरा वो. Gorgeous. So I feel like इसमें मुझे वो highlight करना है music before I go to the lyrics. This bit again शहनाई लग रही थी मुझे, which I think I was right about the last time. Um, शहनाई है. That bit right around the 30-second mark. Before the verse begins. I don't know how, but शहनाई को और जो underlying sort of music उसका है underlay, it just had this very ambient feel to it, right? बहुत ही. Can we classify? No, we can't. Flute आई बीच में. Especially during Frappe's verse, that flute coming in bits and pieces. I don't know. And also the language he was rapping in, then it takes you to the mountains. It just feels like. I really liked Toorjo. Beautiful, beautiful surrounding. Like you just felt like you were submerged in this sonic tank with all these elements. And it almost felt like you're underwater, but I don't know how to describe it. But anyway, oh, melting pot of chaos. Basically, that's the way to describe it. First line. In this melting pot of chaos, we all burn one by one. Think we all need an ice cream from time to time. I have an ice cream almost every second, third day. You all know how much I love ice creams. When I was in London, I used to keep posting on my Instagram. Um, and there was one day, if you all remember, the ones who are on my Instagram with me, I knew that there was a big park near my house, Battersea Park, और वहाँ मैं हर दूसरे दिन walk पे जाती थी, even in the freezing cold and all, but especially in the summer. And I knew there was an ice cream truck that would do the rounds in the park, and I usually it's in this area. I couldn't find it that day, and then on my Instagram stories, we were all hunting for it. If you all remember, um, comment below. But when I finally found that ice cream truck and got my cone ice cream, kya din tha. So anyway, you can't mention ice cream and not expect me to digress. Okay, मुझको देख मुझसे छुप क्यों रहा मुझको देख जैसा हूं मैं वैसा मुझको देख देख. मेरा दिन this started right. मेरा दिल मेरी जान मेरा अक्स मेरा रूह मेरा मन मेरा ज्ञान. Love this entire section and scheme. मेरा मन मेरा ज्ञान मेरा दर्द देख मेरा तन मेरा शर्म मेरा धन मेरा ढंग मेरा मन मेरा गम गम मेरी जंग देख. उफ. मेरा जन मेरा हक मेरी लत मेरा लक मेरा रक्त मेरा शक मेरी हद देख. मेरा वक्त मेरा राज्य मेरा महल मेरा रूल मेरा मेरा तख्त देख. डैम सन. तेरे सर पे सवा हूं मैं दो शब्द मेरे जैसे दो पिल चढ़े तुझे डबल ई. ओह. ओके नाउ आई गॉट इट. बजे तुझे नकली लगे लौंडे क्योंकि साले करे तेरी नकल ही. बट इट्स ऑल लव ना मैं करूं किसे कॉल आउट. तेरी शिट हैगी हो रहा फर्जी से फॉल आउट. बचपन में बैट बॉल बड़े होके बॉल आउट करूं ना कोई रोल आउट 100 shows नॉट आउट. Come on. I'm making money. I've been on. Baby, the scores are settled. I don't know किधर तक पहुंच रहा हूँ. Baby देख बज रहे हम कहाँ पे. सर पे ना किसी का हाथ है जाना नहीं यहाँ जहाँ से गहौर उन कुट्टू नी टिके में. I got the money I've been on. This I didn't understand. I got the money I've been on. I couldn't hear what was being said. So it's I got the money I've been on. I got the money I've been on. Okay, maybe the scores are settled. I don't know किधर तक पहुंच रहा हूँ. हमारा मिन घोर उन खुद के नीति के मेरा दग दिया माँ छोरा चन क्रैक घाटी गैंग. Okay. Then लाती त्वेटे पार करनू हुए दू we ain't even had दून घाटी दांडियो मा सेश दून घाटी दांडियो मा सेशन हो रहा है. I think I'm trying to understand. Chwari me darolia cho mite ana chan panic attacks. Shit's as real as it gets. ए त्वेटे लगी सुधर गई हूँ मैं मी मेरा कुत्ता बीती काटन फंसे शो पे मिनिमम देवता नाचे मिते खुद से बेचैन बस बिन बात दिन रात घोर भी तीन भैर शिट आईना माहौर ही दिखे मिते मिटे कोई अपू ते भी जानदियो नहीं मैं माँ भेजनी मिते रिहैब माँ भेजनी मिते रिहैब की होलू अपनू कू जैन पिताजी मेरी सुनदिया नी चैन पहुंची क्यों गांव बीती शहर मी दिखन तेरी आंखों में वहम लाती घाती बॉयज कर दिया नी लैक रियल लाइफ शिट बेबी रियल लाइफ प्लान्स सपने को जीने को सोता नहीं मैं सात डबली बन कितने साले जैंस मौत आए कब कहाँ किसको पता है आता जहां से कोई लेता नहीं चांस वापस नहीं जा रह सकता रुड़की को मैं ये आइसक्रीम पे घलने ना दे ये पेन ओहो जिंदगी थी वो बड़ी बेचैन कम ऑन बिन कैरिंग मनी आई बीन ऑन आई एम टॉकिंग ब्रेड नो क्रूटॉन कैसे तो लोगों तक पहुंच रहा हूँ अचरा देख आया मैं कहाँ से भटक के पहुंचा देख कहाँ पे सिर पे ना किसी का हाथ है कहो तू नहीं टिके मैं it's been 30 minutes since you've logged in we hope you had a great time in the world of ice cream frappe 30 minutes the album is yeah oh man stuff got very real very nice this is a beautiful ending to the project I have not heard the whole project so I'm sure a lot of things have been talked about juice juice का I think video है which I should check out आदतें सुरूर चकलो आगे पीछे शर्मीले I check शर्मीले I heard he said is about his dad or for his dad आरज़ू जाना मैं नजरों में and then been on like Rohan was saying and I agree with him that Frappe is you know a standout project artist and he is clearly going into several zones on this one. And I think musically, what he's doing for the scene with his with Toorjo and with his previous collaborators as well is just again something I'm so happy to see that the the level of imagination and creativity that's coming out of the music scene in India, thanks to artists like Frappe and Toorjo and Yash Raj and Encore, Calm, Never Sober, all these guys. And I keep making reels around all of them, especially the producers in the scene, Bharg and um, this one, Unyal and his producers, Soham Rawat. Soham था ना नाम? Soumya Rawat, sorry. Unyal and his producer, Soumya Rawat, like all of these guys are doing crazy, beautiful, creative stuff and just helping everything in the scene progress. Love it. This song got very real and more power to Frappe on his journey. And sorry, I had to answer a call. But yeah, I feel like there's so much he has said on this project, and I mean, not project, I haven't heard it fully, but on this song. And I think when required, Encore gets hella real, and obviously his pen game is top notch, best in the biz. And then the way um, Frappe came in, and I feel the now I understand because it's the last track on the album, so he had to end it with his ABT and his sort of story, बयां करके और फिर वो ending वाले sentences बोल के and hope you guys have enjoyed the journey through this album, that entire ending. So it had to be Frappe at the end in the second verse, so that makes sense now. But I feel like the way he is combining, and even in the last track, I've heard this. So I don't know if he's done this in all the tracks, but where he's using his his native tongue and language and Hindi, he's mixing the two, and of course the splattering of English words here and there. I feel the way he's doing that, he's really owning his like regional identity as well, which is really nice to see. Always nice to see. And I feel like ye specifically is gaane mein, the story that he's telling of what was happening with him and how he had to go to rehab. If I'm understanding everything correctly, the way he's saying that story and the fact that he's saying it in his mother tongue speaks to how authentic he's being with you. क्योंकि वो अपनी भाषा में जब आप बोलते हो अपनी स्टोरी तो उसका ऑनेस्टी लेवल ही कुछ और होता है. So I think he's kept it really very real, very vulnerable, very hard hitting, and very just honest in this track. And I appreciate the way it was thought out and structured and placed. It's very interesting, the mix of the languages and conveying the thoughts. And it's actually very interesting also because जो वो बोल रहे हैं अपनी story, he doesn't care if people don't get it. It almost feels like that phase of his life that he's talking about and that those events, it feels like it's for his closest ones, who are the ones who speak his language, who are with him from his hometown and his region. So maybe वो सिर्फ वो बात अपनों से करना चाह रहे हैं, लेकिन you know बाकी के लोगों के लिए नहीं है वो section. It felt like that. So I mean, it is how it is, right? The deepest pains of our life and the most intense periods of our life, we only talk about those and share those with the ones closest to us. So I think that was beautifully done in this track. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Let me know what's your favorite track on this album, and if there's others that you feel I should cover. Drop me a DM or comment below, and yeah, let me know how much or how little you liked asking Frappe as a project. I just feel like Frappe is a brilliant project artist, and the way he's helping the music scene advance with the sonics he plays with is gorgeous, in my opinion. So loved it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take very good care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
Putting it together, man.
Been getting money, I've been on. Been getting money, I've been on.